Step 1. Prepping the base. First, chop all your veggies. Tomatoes, onions, green chilies, along with cashews, almonds, and a bowl of homemade fresh cream. Now, in a heated pan, lightly saute 500 grams of paneer until golden, then set it aside. Step 2. Making the gravy paste. In the same pan, add some fresh curry leaves. Once they sizzle, add chopped onions and saute lightly. Now add tomatoes, green chilies, a pinch of turmeric, cumin powder, garam masala, and a touch of chaat masala. Cook everything until soft, then let it cool. Let it cool. Blend it into a smooth, fine paste. Step 3. Cooking the masala. Back to the pan. Add a little olive oil and 100 grams of butter. Once the butter melts, toss in whole spices: cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, and black pepper. Now add some cumin powder, turmeric, Sahi Paneer masala, and salt. Saute this until aromatic. Add the tomato nut paste into this masala and cook it well till oil starts to separate. Then gently add the sautéed paneer cubes. Mix well. To finish, pour in the fresh cream and sprinkle some crushed kasuri methi. Cover and let it simmer for a few minutes. And there you have it. Rich, creamy, delicious restaurant-style Sahi Paneer ready to serve. Enjoy it hot with naan or jeera rice.